かわいいよ。Oh my god. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. It's my monthly routine video. So I'm here at MATTEL headquarters again. So again, there's a toy store at the first floor of MATTEL headquarters building. It's in El Segundo, California. It's like just a few minutes away from the airport. Probably like 45 minutes from my Barbie apartment in West Hollywood. Yeah, not too far. I just love coming here. Okay. Oops. This is okay, I need a Barbie camper. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this corn is super cute. Look at this. The sleeping bag is so cute. Wow. You know, I knew this camper, but I've never seen the all small accessories. It's got more. Wow. It's very cute. Oh, there are Barbie extra minis. This car is cute. This is a cute suit. I'm looking for the pink basement, but this one, the purple looks cute too. Let's go this way. You know, these are actually cute for July 4th. Should I get them? Yeah, these are cute. I don't see cutie reveal, the second wave for cutie reveals yet. Only the first wave so far. I like her dress. So cute. Oh my gosh, I never noticed her romper. It's so cute. Wow. Yeah, she got really cute rompers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm very excited today because I finally got scores. I came home and well, a few Barbie dolls today. Yeah, I didn't get a lot today, but still I got some, so I'm gonna show you. One doll I got for Barbie Fan Club Japan, which I'm running. One I got for myself today. So I finally got the set, the animal rescue play set. Oh my gosh! If you follow me, all my accounts on Instagram, you probably know why I wanted to get this. I really wanted to get this, but I literally wanted to have just a few things in this play set. I really wanted to have these two squirrels. because I love scores, and Carlisle calls me score whisper because I am. Anyway, I love scores, and I can talk to them, and they love me, and I love them. And I really wanted to have some scores Barbie size for my mini-me. And I knew this set has 2 of them, but really didn't need like whole set. And I didn't want to spend $30 for 2 scores, you know. But now I got this set because it was this week's deal, so I couldn't resist. Let's open this set, like completely unboxed. Animal Rescuer, so cute! Oh my gosh! Look at her. I know it's a playset, but literally I'm like super focusing on these 2 scores. I know I'm crazy, but like this much, I love scores. Okay, let me open it. I'm super happy about that I got this playset with $10 today. Ta-da! Now you can see them without refraction from the ring light. Oh, this deer looks so cute too, but somehow she looks a little bit sad to me. Maybe she's sick. They are in one color, one solid color, so I'm thinking I might paint with like a real skull colors later. First, let me take everything out. Okay, first of all, let me show you the doll. Barbie. Oh, you know, she's like regular Millie face, but she's just pretty as always. I kind of like the length of her hair. Not too long, but not bob either. And look at here. It's the shape of heart. I'm putting bunny. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look. Kawaii. Oh, kawaii. Yabai. This is kawaii. Oh, kawaii. Oh, this is adorable. Kawaii. Oh my god. Can I handle this? Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I didn't notice until now. Wow, we got O's? Oh my gosh, so cute. They look like twins. Literally, I just noticed. I told you I was only focusing on scores, so I didn't notice. Cute twin O's on tree. And we got 2 bunnies in the air. Kawaii. We also got a few more accessories. Pet food. Look like natto. Baby bottle. The Tiffany blue one and yellow one. Pink injection. This is so cute. I love this set. By the way, this stand, I mean the clinic part. So it looks like this. The top part and the bottom part. And the tree look like this. There's a spot for all. So for my scores. Mini-me, come here. Gotaimen. Look like she is so excited about. Look at this. Oh, 可愛いすぎるよ。可愛いよ。ちょっと待って。もう一匹。You know what? I want to put another one on her shoulder or something. I mean, my shoulder. Aw, I should take you a photo like this. I just love this. Thanks so much for my video. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.